From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at Bitcoin, and Bitcoin traders are getting hammered again during the trading session on Monday. Really, I look at this. I look at this candlestick here on the, what is that, the 25th, right here at about 6,500. Once that gives way, lights out. Now, I've been saying for some time that based upon the descending triangle that we had broken out of down here, that there was a target right around 4,800. There's nothing on this chart that tells me we can't get there. Bitcoin suffers a lot of issues. The one bullish argument I'm starting to see appear on YouTube, and you see this every time Bitcoin starts getting slaughtered like this, suddenly there's a reason to hang on. There's a reason to buy more. The halvening in May. So basically, they're going to cut the reward for solving a block in half, and the idea is it pushes it up because of scarcity. It takes more to mine, and if it's going to take more to mine, then obviously it's going to have to be more expensive than it is to mine. Ask diamond producers. Ask silver producers, ask gold producers. That isn't always the case. So that argument in and of itself should fall by the wayside. The reality is it's not being adopted. It just is not being adopted. I had somebody ask me not too long ago to name a use for blockchain, one that's actually being used. And there aren't many. So blockchain isn't even being adopted. You can't even make that argument. Now, that doesn't mean it won't be. It doesn't mean that Bitcoin won't rally someday. But clearly, at this point, there's nothing good about this. Price is all that matters if you're a trader. If you're an investor and you want to hang on to it forever, then okay, fine. But if you're a trader and you're worried about losses, this is not the market to be hanging on to. In fact, if the ironic thing about Bitcoin is, if I were to tell you, not even tell you what this chart was and just show you the shape of this, you would probably say this thing looks horrible. But with Bitcoin, it's a bit of a cult. It's kind of like Tesla, never really dies. We have this death cross here. Not a big fan of that, but it is a longer-term bearish signal. It's right at a downtrending line. We're breaking through support. We're about to break through that hammer. Once we break through that hammer, we're probably going to fall to 6,000 rather quickly. That'll probably happen within a day of that happening. Just nothing good about this. I had previously suggested selling rallies was the way to go, but judging from what I'm seeing, down 5% for the day, I don't even know that we're going to get the rally to sell.